Cryptocurrency is a totally digital currency. There are no physical notes or coins. Bitcoin, the first cryptocurrency, was released in 2009. Since then, loads of other cryptos have been created, like Ethereum and Dogecoin. Compared to traditional money, what really makes cryptocurrencies different is that they don't rely on banks and the rest of the financial system. When you use your card to buy something with normal money, there's a lot going on behind the scenes in just a second or two. First, the shop checks with your bank to see if you have enough money in your account to pay. Then, if you do, the bank lets the shop know and updates its records to show the movement of money from your bank account to the shop. Paying with crypto would be very different behind the scenes. There is no central record of transactions. Instead, many millions of computers around the world all own a copy of the records. They all note down each transaction made. Using cryptocurrency networks, payments can be recorded correctly without needing to go through a bank or card processing company. This makes it possible to send crypto quickly for free. In the future, we might even be able to pay, save, and borrow money without having a bank account. Crypto might have massive potential as the future of money, but it's not yet accepted in most places. Right now, lots of people just buy crypto as an asset, hoping the coins will go up in value. If crypto becomes legal tender, we'll be able to use it to pay for stuff just like we do with traditional money.